Hey everyone, it's Michelle and welcome back to Mixing It Up with Michelle. Today I'm excited to share a beautiful jewelry unboxing from SayaBling Jewelry. If you love elegant pieces that make a statement without breaking the bank, you are going to want to see this. So let's open this package up. Right away, this packaging feels special and gift worthy. Everything is carefully presented, which always makes the unboxing experience more exciting. I have all these beads that just pop out at you when you open the box, which makes for a kind of neat surprise element. But if you're like me and you have animals in the house, you really don't want the mess. So I think maybe that should be something that's customizable with the jewelry company, because a lot of people might not want the mess of these, especially if you have small children or animals in your house. Just a thought, SayaBling. Here is the gorgeous bangle bracelet that I picked out. Take a look at the sparkle and detail on this piece. This design is elegant, timeless, and versatile enough to dress up a casual outfit or complement a more formal look. I love how the bracelet catches the light and adds just the right amount of shine without feeling over the top. So for those of you who aren't familiar with SayaBling, they offer a wide variety of jewelry, including rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, wedding jewelry, and statement pieces. Their collections feature sterling silver jewelry and a variety of colorful gemstones and sapphire-inspired designs, making it easy for you to find something for every style and every single occasion. So the one thing that stands out about their website is the large selection of affordable fashion and bridal-inspired jewelry. They frequently run promotions and special offers, including buy two, get one free deals, the buy one, get one 50% off promotion, and a bunch of site-wide discount codes. They also offer free worldwide shipping on qualifying orders and a 1-year warranty on many of their products. How stunning is this? They had it in a rose white, which I actually wanted it in, but it came in just the white gold, which is still really stunning. I have been eyeing these earrings, and I had to choose between this bracelet and these earrings. And I chose the bracelet because I figured it would be a little more practical. This is something that I would wear more on a daily than just for a special occasion, where the earrings would probably be more for special occasions, because earrings will irritate my ears if I wear them too long. So I wouldn't be able to leave them in for extended periods of time. And they're also just a statement piece. They're very elegant. So occasions, special occasions. But I think I'm going to go in and order them because they have so many discounts available on their website. They do send you a coupon where you can get discounts. This is $20 off orders over 100, which is what I will be doing. Because they're over 100, or $50 off over 200 with a coupon code. I will also have everything listed down in the description box below, so you can find this bracelet, these earrings that I think I'm going to go in and actually order, and check out this website. They have a lot of different colorful gemstones in there that are also really pretty. SayaBling Jewelry, definitely a great company. Packaging is great. My only thing I'd say is make it so these little beads like this are customizable for the person and the occasion, because there are some people who probably do not want these flying out at them when they open a package. Overall, I am really impressed on how beautiful this bangle bracelet looks in person. It has a luxurious appearance. It feels pretty comfortable. Make a lovely gift for someone special or a little treat for yourself. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this bracelet and whether you'd wear something like this? If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You never miss a new review, unboxing, or fashion find. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.